Isasagawa ang isang lumpia workshop ngayong linggo sa Senior Center sa Fraser Street sa Vancouver. Ito po ay isang munting salo-salo ng komunidad matapos ang malagim na trahedya noong Lapu-Lapu Festival, 2 buwan na po ang nakakaraan. Narito ang report.
Magkakaroon ng lumpia workshop ngayong linggo sa Senior Center Fraser Street sa Vancouver. Pangungunahan nito ni Chef Chris Young ng Kada YVR at Dr. JP Katungal ng QBC. Ayon kay Katungal, mainam daw na minsan mag-relax muna, umupo at maglaan ng panahon upang mag-food prep nang hindi kailangang natataranta.
Those of us who come from families who have to have multiple jobs, like my parents, for example, partly because of the social and economic conditions of immigrants in this country, right? Sometimes like time is precious and there is not a lot of time to just sit down and make food. So we haven't been making lumpia as much as we used to before.
Ayon kay Young, noong 2024, nagsagawa sila ng talakayan tungkol sa colonial history at transnational migration at kung paano nito hinubog ang modernong pagkaing Pinoy.
It's a nod to the origins, of Chinese origins. You look at the way that it's cooked as well with vegetable oil. That was a technology that was brought over by the Chinese trader. There's a bit of this mixedness of who are you, what makes you, no? Like in Filipino circles, I'm not Filipino enough. In Chinese circles, I'm not Chinese enough. But making lumpia, it combines all of those. Lumpia in itself is not really Filipino, but we already at this point in the modern age consider it Filipino. A lot of our identity as Filipinos is very influenced by all these different cultures around us. But that doesn't make our identity as Filipinos any less. Trying to have that conversation, I think, was what spurred the creation of this event.
Ngunit matapos ang malagim na insidente noong Lapu-Lapu Festival na malapit lamang sa kanilang magiging venue bukas, naisip nilang gawin itong makabuluhan para sa komunidad. Ang kasaysayan din daw ng mga Pilipino ang humubog sa kung paano magluksa at magnilay sa panahon ng pagdadalamhati. Dagdag niyang, sa workshop na gaganapin, makakapagkwentuhan ng mga kalahok tulad ng tuwing may piyesta sa Pilipinas. Magsasalo-salo sa hapagkainan at pag-uusapan ang mga nangyari.
We wanted to give something to the Filipino community that was enriching, enlightening, instead of creating a cooking class. We're creating a space to just fold and make food together.
Karamihan daw kasi sa mga pagkain ng katutubong Pinoy, inihaw, inilaw o pinakuluan. Impluwensya raw ito ng mga banyaga kaya natuto ang mga Pilipinong magprito. Ayon kay Katungal, inilalaan nila ang merienda para sa mga apektado ng trahedya ng Lapu-Lapu Festival. Magaganap ang workshop ngayong linggo, 29 ng Hunyo, 1:00 hanggang 3:00 ng hapon. Pat Fernandez, Omni News, Vancouver.